Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to delete call history on Messenger. So basically there is no option that Facebook Messenger provides us to delete our call history. But the thing you have to do is, let's say for example I want to open this conversation right here, and as you can see right here there is a missed call that this person didn't answer. I called him and he didn't answer. So what I can do right here is, if I tap and if I press and hold this call right here, as you can see I will have this option to remove this call right here, and I'm just going forward and hit the remove button, and I can either unsend the message or remove just for me. It doesn't matter at all, and I'm just going to unsend or remove however you like. Okay, so as you can see the call has been removed. So basically this is what you can do to delete your call history. You will have to go to every specific person that you want to remove your call history, and you have to search for your calls or maybe their calls, and you can manually delete your call history from Facebook Messenger. So this is all for today guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.